Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So what a week full of FUD, DCG, Binance, FTX. So guys, just we can hope that crypto will survive, but definitely it will survive. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet. So we are here for crypto, so let's get it crypto. Smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your like, and let's go dive deep and let's check our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening. Oh, Christmas is here, so Santa Claus and Christmas is here. We see USD, these algorithmic stablecoins of the Wave platform, just depegged and going lower and lower, so now below 60 cents. We see Leo, OKB, and Filecoin correcting. GMX Asphalt, but Rune, XDIC, Curve, Lido Finance, and ICP, Axie Infinity, IMX doing well. Bitcoin is just plus minus 0 in a day. Ethereum is plus 0.5%. So last week that was a huge pump, especially Ethereum and Binance coin pumped due to the Binance FUD. But we see also Cardano, Doge, and others just fall down on the cliff. What about our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index? It is at 29, so we are still in the fear zone. Let's remove this. So we are still in the fear zone and investors are still fearful, but this is what's going on almost since last November, since the last all-time high in November. So we have some periods with extreme fear, and now we are just in the fear zone, and maybe next year we can getting better. Our first news, Bitcoin still lacks this on-chain signal for BTC bull market, David Puel. So this will be the Puel multiplier, I think. The famous analyst says, as further data reaffirms a textbook BTC price bottoming progress. So BTC bottoming in progress. Despite many calling for new BTC USD lows or of 12,000 or less this cycle, not everyone is wholly bearish on the outlook for Bitcoin. For Puel, two essential on-chain phenomena necessary for BTC price recovery are already in evidence. Long-term holders are resisting the urge to sell despite Bitcoin being down over 70% from its all-time high. Already mostly gone from the market. The weak hands come. On-chain three factors are needed for a bull: holding behavior from long-term investors, painful losses from short-term speculators, network activity across the board. He summarized. Personally seeing 1 and 2 and 3 is still underwhelming. So network activity across the board is still underwhelming. He added that favorable macro conditions would aid to turnaround, as well as crypto becoming more resilient to contagion in the form of exogenous and exogenous swans. Yeah, so this looks pretty a kind of bottoming event, as we revisited under 17,000 US dollar Bitcoin halving cycle like any other. So the evidence came in from the Bitcoin's MVR with core. The dilution proof initially called the metric market value to realized value temperature. So this market value against realized value, and these are the different cycles, first, second, and third cycle. Now we are in the third cycle, and you see this is when we are under 0. So the market value ratio to realized value is under 0, and it's lasting more than almost 150 days now, and striking similarities between the other past cycles. Okay, so let's check this. What's this is for us. Maybe I will make another video about this. So Let's go. Bitcoin to crash to 10,000 before exploding by over 200%, says investment giant 1X. Here is the timeline. So they stated last week that Bitcoin could fall to between 10 and 12,000 in the next year, first quarter. So yes, because the wave of minor bankruptcies, which will mark the low point of the crypto winter. The MVIS Global Digital Asset Mining Index median market cap is now only 180 million US dollar, with nearly all constituents burning cash and trading well below book value, so they are burning cash. With Bitcoin mining largely unprofitable given recent higher electricity prices and lower Bitcoin prices, we predict that many miners will restructure or merge. This MVIS Global Digital Asset Mining Index tracks the performance of firms generating at least half their revenue from mining digital assets. Turning to a bullish forecast, 1X head of digital asset research says that Bitcoin could rally to 30,000 from July next year as lower inflation triggers the easing of monetary and fiscal policies. Meanwhile, should our recession expectations materialize, the Federal Reserve would likely pause raising rates amid softening inflation while money printing and government budget deficit continue. Merely a lack of bad crypto-specific news under the above scenario could cause the price of Bitcoin to climb a wall of a worry back to 30,000 US dollar again, and the market was under 17,000. Next, analyst who accurately called massive Bitcoin crash issues major update for Bitcoin traders. Who's that? Peter Brandt. I think Peter Brandt is the veteran, but he's a veteran, about 70 if I'm right. Please all be aware that Bitcoin is developing the infamous free blind mice chart construction. So what is this free blind mice? These are probably moving averages, different moving averages that you see here, and I think this should be daily candles if I'm right, and this is the free blind mice. Okay, so the free blind mice pattern is not a conventional technical formation. Okay, form 6 consecutive bullish weekly candles that show BTC rally from around 5,000 to about 60,000 level a year later. The pattern appears to be suggesting the continuation of the underlying trend. Come on, you amateurs, you can do better than this. You are missing the forest from the trees. This is a 28 months coil with the price action most recently being the famous 6 blind mice signal. So this is a 6 blind mind, but what is signaling the next uptrend? Okay, Bitcoin still down. I certainly think that unless Bitcoin can really get up and consolidate about 20,000 US dollar again, that we would see another leg down. I don't think that we are go to 11 or 12,000. I think 30,000 is probably a more really realistic level. As far as I'm concerned, until Bitcoin can really gain 22,000 and hold it, I don't see any reason why Bitcoin can't slip back down to 13,000. And yeah, so this is a monthly chart. Now this is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. So guys, okay, and that was in 2020, and after the huge bull run started that he's mentioning to leveling up to 60,000 US dollar. But this is a daily chart, and this is the chart pattern. Okay, next, whales accumulate almost 726 million US dollar in Bitcoin, reports shows. Bitcoin gets massive whale accumulation. Sentiment reported that Bitcoin addresses holding between 100 to 10,000 BTC tokens are still purchasing more. A swing in the addresses could be linked to FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt brought about the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war, Binance FUD, FTX FUD, Tether FUD, and all other FUDs. Where's pick top stablecoins? USDT, DAI, and BUSD, so they are not panicking because the BUSD. It gave a combined purchase of about $1 billion for the two stablecoins by the whales within the past 3 days, USDT and BUSD. Cool. Let's go and check our next news. Is the crypto bottom in? Analytic firm Sentiment says one metric is flashing a historical bullish signal. Sentiment is an on-chain analyst. And let's get this. There is a whole lot of doom and gloom in crypto right now. Binance FUD, Jeremy Powell, hawkishness, and the ongoing Sam Bankman-Fried trial headline. Tether FUD, many reasons why capitulation is prevalent to end the week. Historically, this is uncertainty is a bottom signal. Traders showing bearishness on Binance, Fed, and ongoing FTX bankruptcy news. We see this huge volume candle here, and also the price is plummeting down, back down. Okay. Buy the dip, bottom sell. This is showing us. Several altcoins are seeing big upticks in address activity and dormant wallets awakening to move their funds right now. Others are staying stuck in the mud and are more likely to fall behind. Especially YFI is showing impressive network activity following a short period of depression. So insane network activity. And also RAN, Decentralized Finance project RAN, complicated finance, so not picking up so strong because of its complicated financial situation. Okay, Uniswap, now you can trade NFTs on Uniswap. Uni experienced a strong growth before when there was an NFT marketplace announced, but still we can see it's growing strongly even compared with NFT related pump and dump. Yes. Next piece of news is top strategist at 285 billion asset management firm predicts more crypto shakeouts after FTX collapse. From Guggenheim, guys, from Guggenheim, and you know, a year ago we were talking about crypto, and there were approximately 19,000 coins, to which my comment was, this is mostly crap and there is going to be a washout. And just like the internet bubble, you know, we will have survivors. The digitization of currency is just in its infancy, and how this evolves now is going to require a regulatory framework to legitimize it. And I think we will move forward, and I think this will be transformative to general economy. I think there is more to come, and the reason is that this is just like any number of periods where we have had easy money and a lot of speculation, and so the weakest players fall first. And so crypto is obviously something that was crazy. NFTs, I never quite understand them. There's another shoe to drop. I can't tell you where it is. Quite funny. So let's see what's going on. Interesting news from the traditional finance markets that Bank for International Settlements new policy allows banks to hold 2% of reserves in cryptocurrency. So guys, now every bank can hold 2% in reserves. Previously they were allowing a 1% reserve in crypto from banks. Feedback has led to BIS to this finalized prudential standard. The policy will go into effect on the 1st of January 2025 and outlines various facets on how crypto assets are to be categorized and threatened. Okay. The policy will go in under effect, so it will just go under effect in January 2025, so it's far away. So they raised the percentage point. Okay, good to hear that. Hope they will holding Ethereum and Bitcoin. Next, crypto lender Genesis allegedly owns 900 million US dollar to Gemini's clients, report says. So 900 million is insane. The parent company Digital Currency Group allegedly owe 900 million to Gemini's clients, according to a Financial Times report. So now they are temporarily suspended withdrawals, citing unprecedented market turmoil. Yeah, so Gemini owns, and let's see what's happening. With Genesis liquidation could force DCG bankruptcy, the chopping block reports. So they are talking about 1.1 billion here, but yeah, so whatever, 900 million or 1 billion, it's almost the same. It looks like there was a lot of funny bushy in the accounting, and Genesis very, very high level. Okay, so not good. BitWavo to pre-fund locked DCG assets worth almost 300 million amid liquidity crisis. So guys, it seems that DCG started to sell some crypto assets, especially few altcoins. Digital Currency Group and its affiliate, which manages almost 300 million euros in deposits and digital assets of crypto exchange BitWavo for off-chain staking services, suspended repayments, citing liquidity problems amid the bear market. Okay, so this is the net outflow. Cool. So let's see. 5 billion US dollar in crypto exits Binance in 48 hours as solvency concerns grow, analytic firms. Binance saw more than 5 billion of net outflows between December 13th and December 14th. This is the largest two-day outflow since the exchange started providing proof of reserves on November 10th. As US Congress holds hearings over the FTX collapse, concerns regarding Binance have been growing, leading to an increase in withdrawals. USD outflow 5 billion. Mazars, the auditor firm, has paused its activity relating the provision of proof of reserve reports for entities in the cryptocurrency sector. So other exchanges as well, Crypto.com and KuCoin, to concerns regarding the way these reports are understood by the public. CZ said that people can withdraw 100% of the assets they have on Binance. We will not have any issue on any given day. So 100% of users withdraw 100% of assets, we would be fine. This is very different for traditional finance people to understand, because banks run on fractional reserves, and the traditional regulators, many of them may think that it's okay for crypto businesses to be running on fractional reserves. That is not okay. In crypto, there is no central bank printing money to bail out banks when there is a liquidity crunch. So crypto businesses have to hold users' assets one-to-one, and that's what we do. It's very simple. So guys, I don't know why this FUD is going on. Maybe Wall Street wants to take over Binance. So this is just my guess, but let me know in the comment section. Binance proof of reserves removed from the auditor's site. So Mazars, blockchains are public permanent records, is the most auditable ledger. So that's true, but Mazar was an audit, and that they just suspended its service. We will still go forward with our plans to deliver to our users Merkle Tree proof of reserves to demonstrate that customers' assets exist on-chain, addresses that are under the control of Binance. Cool. Next, top crypto analyst forecast big move for Binance coin on Bitcoin chart. Here is the outlook. Jason Pizzini, and he is examining and analyzing BNB BTC chart. We have just started our first major months down to put in a potential top here on the BNB BTC, and this could last 2 years from that point. So almost 2 years up and 2 years down. So this is what he thinks, but I'm not sure. According to Pizzini, BNB BTC will likely end its downtrend by Q3 of 2024 should the pair continue to repeat its cycle. So I'm not sure that will happen, but yeah, so we see on the chart that happened in the past, but it's not a guarantee that it will happen in the future. Next, CryptoQuant verifies Binance reserves, reports Binance Reserve reports no FTX-like behavior, so Binance don't have any FTX-related. The report shows Binance BTC liabilities, customers' deposits are 97% collateralized by the exchange assets. Collateralization increases to 101% when the BTC lent to customers is accounted for. So actually this is a good news. And guys, in crypto, not the big four auditor companies, but on-chain firms like CryptoQuant, Sentiment can audit, and also I think this is most important. And let's take a look on Nansem. So this is the Binance portfolio on Nansem. So Binance holding almost, okay, so this is not the total amount. So 54 billion US dollar. So they are holding 54 billion US dollar crypto assets in their ledgers. So BUSD, USDT, BTC, BNB, Ethereum, and others. So most of them is Binance coin. Next piece of news is, okay, Tether to phase reject all. Tether to phase out lending of its own coins to customers. The rapid growth of Tether's lending program raised concerns about its ability to meet redemptions in a crisis. So now they are reducing these Tether loans. So I think this is a way that Tether is getting more and more trust on the market. Democrats reportedly return over 1 million of SBS funding to FTX victims. So just guys, 1 billion. Elon Musk talked about 1 billion, and they are returning 1 million. Given the allegations around potential campaign finance violation by Bankman-Fried, we are setting aside funds in order to return the 815,000 in contributions since 2020. We will return as soon as we receive proper direction in the legal proceeding. So guys, I think this is a good things that happen. SBF prosecutors reportedly dig into donations made to top US Democrats. So now they are digging and they are sending some funds back. Okay, next piece of news is Donald Trump minted NFTs. So you can buy Trump NFTs. Trump is now selling his own superhero NFTs after trashing Bitcoin for being a scam. So what a coincidence, what an insane. But first we will need to buy an NFT at 100 US dollar. What kind of NFT, you might ask? A Donald Trump NFT. Now hold on a minute. Isn't this the same fella who said Bitcoin is a scam? Yup, he is. So Donald Trump now promoting his NFTs that you can buy with crypto, and he was throwing out hard words that Bitcoin and crypto is a scam. Better than Lincoln, better than Washington, with an important announcement. Hello everyone, this is Donald Trump, hopefully your favorite president of all time. Okay guys, so this is insane. Gala dinner, so you can attend on a gala dinner and other stuff if you're purchasing these NFTs. I had some major announcement that's last couple of weeks. Inflation easing. I just signed the Respect for Marriage Act. We brought Britney greener home, gas price and lower. Okay. On jokes, NFTs, crypto destroying the world. Okay. So Donald Trump said that time we should have all of the bitcoins in the world out there, and that the currency should be the dollar, shouldn't be taken seriously now, should it? Meanwhile, Trump says his NFTs make a great gift this Christmas and he accepts credit cards payments and Ethereum. Crypto is a scam and a catastrophic waiting to happen. So that was told by Donald Trump. Next, former President Donald Trump NFT collections soars on OpenSea after selling out in one day. So selling out one day. The official Donald Trump digital trading card collection is here. These limited edition cards feature amazing art of my life and career. Collect all of your favorite Trump digital trading cards. Go to collect. Okay, and now they are soaring. First, the polarizing politician's wife, Melanie, launched her own NFT series on the Solana blockchain. Now Donald Trump has released his own series on the Polygon blockchain. Amazing art, cowboys, superheroes, astronauts, and Trump. Guys, insane. American Captain America. It's okay. The selling price of a Trump NFT at time of writing is 6 Ethereum. So guys, that was insane. So purchasing for $100 and now they worth 7,000 US. So next time I will jump on the bandwagon, but I missed this. Next piece of news is Bitcoin maximalist Michael Saylor says Ethereum could collapse. So what a thing, bashing Ethereum like Luna. Why would it collapse? Will Ethereum break like Luna? I don't think so, so I don't give too much attention to this, but let me know in the comment section what is your opinion. Okay, Mother suspend all work with crypto exchanges, and this is here. Okay, so guys, what else do we have? Cool. Let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter. Create a Twitter account and follow at MIKLOS Also follow at Korean Platform and follow at laserpunk_gods. Turkey's money supply looks super healthy and sustainable. They are printing tremendous and unlimited. 15 million would make you change your stance. Watch this from Kevin O'Leary. Actually, you said crypto was worthless and rat poison, and then 6 months later you were a Bitcoin bull. Is Binance insolvent? For critical facts about the current Binance FUD. So guys, check out this thread. Definitely scroll down. So what caused the Fed? The mother, the auditor, resigned. Claims of Binance bank run, insolvency, CZ, FTX 2.1 billion cash out, and BUSD, and check out all these evidences. So it's worth to go over. Okay, next, leave a like and share. Daily active users by blockchain. BNB chain has more active users than Ethereum just recently. Yesterday. Okay. The Bitcoin master plan to prepare for cycles. So guys, check this out. This is how many days left between all-time highs, between tops, and how many days is the max drawdown? Almost 1 year, and now we are getting closer to 1 year. But in 2014 it was 15 days. Yeah, and we are getting closer to the halving also, so from the top to top, and this is the halving, BTC halving. The halving is just 1 year and few months away. Give a like and share. DCG supposed to be dumping some altcoins, as Will Clemente shared this. So what are these altcoins? I cannot see it. Ethereum Classic, Filecoin, Horizon, Ethereum Classic, and Near. So these 4. Bitcoin market value to realized value at historical bottom. So guys, also you can download this picture. So we are at historical bottom here, and yeah, we already talked about that. What a match, Messi goal. Yes. Okay, cool. Yes, so there was sunshine yesterday. Do your own research and watch this from CZ Binance. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's go and check out our farms. Go to Uniswap and go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and earn a juicy APRs up to 330%. And then also you can provide liquidity on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, depending on if you are holding ERC20 or BEP20 version of CorionX. And also you can use our bridge. You find everything here in the description. So guys, the market is not showing too much sign. Stock futures are slightly positive. Bitcoin is slightly up today, but it dumped in the last week heavily, and now consolidating below 17,000 on the 4-hourly. We do have this short position. We started this last week, and actually our long position is not intact anymore, so we are in short, and we closed I think half of it at 16,600, and now we are riding it with our stop loss in profits, but we are looking for this bear flag, and I think this bear flag will turn down, and then we will add more to our shorts. So guys, similar on Ethereum. So Ethereum also, we shorted Ethereum, and now Ethereum, maybe it's consolidating in a triangle, so a little bit healthier than Bitcoin, but the trend was still downtrend on the 4-hourly. What is Binance Coin showing us? So on Binance Coin there is a huge head and shoulders on the daily chart. So huge head and shoulders, and this head and shoulders broke down. So it broke down. Why I don't see it? Yeah, so this is it, broke down. We entered the short, we took some profits, and now it's retesting, and we'll see if this 263 will hold or not. So this is the levels we are watching for. So but for now we are below 250. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Definitely go try out our farms, go to Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.